Tuke mag volleyball mosir gi kambi mar keyo mauta mar Kenya Pipeline Company ochakore ayanga lap makasarani bang' jatatije Kamino Jo Sang yawo gi ayanga okinyi makawuono. Kano wuoyo seche mano yawo tuke go Sang nolero ni kaka kambi gimor gi lwedo mar sir magichwalo ne tuke mag volleyball e kinde ni magidhi yalo higni 50 nyaka ne chak kambino. Sang nopuoyo timbe mohewo 20 mabiro tugo tuke gi kuom ndalo 3 mabiro kendo kwayo gi mondo ginyis kit tugo maber e kinde ma bende tim mar Malkia Strikers biro bedo kod ikruok ne tugo kata tuke mag Olympics e kor higani. E tugo mokwongo tim mar KPC noloyo tim mar Nairobi Prison sets 3-0.
The reason why we sponsor is we want to support sports in the country. Sports brings people together. There is synergy, there is teamwork. So we do believe we'll continue supporting sports as a company, and we've seen the fruits. Our name out there is very big because of sports.
At this specific juncture, we'd like to call upon corporates of goodwill to come forward and support our Malkia Strikers who are preparing to go to the Olympics so that they can be ready and go there not only just to make an appearance, but to make a lasting impression. They already made strides after the training in Brazil and Serbia. They were able to move up 4 places, and for the first time during the last World Championships, Kenya ended up number 18.